What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no signal issue in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password for reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. To restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.